Hey guys, it's Amanda with Amanda's Aromatics. I am an independent Scentsy consultant. I got the new Calypso buddy today, so I'm wanting to show you guys, pretty much show her off. Now, I have a 3-year-old who decided that she couldn't wait to open it, so she's already open. It's not going to be like a total unboxing video, but I'm going to show you guys, her and everything else. So, first is when you buy a buddy, you get a free scent pack with it. And then I picked out blueberry cheesecake, and then this is the scent pack. It's just, a little scent pack. So every time you get a buddy, it comes with a free one of those. And then this is the box that Calypso comes in. It's totally cute. I love it. I'll probably keep the box just because it's so cute. And then this is Calypso. She is really pink. You can't tell right now because it's kind of cloudy out where I'm at, so dimming it down a little bit, but she's so adorable. She's got, little markings on her little behind, and her hooves are really super glittery, and then a little heart on her forehead. Friggin' love it. She's adorable. And then to put in a scent pack, all you do is right here there is a little zipper thing that you grab, and you just pull it down, then take the scent pack, push right in there. Then you just zip it right back up, and they smell this. There you go. You want her back? The scent packs last for probably a good 2 or 3 months. I've had scent packs last for up to 6 months, so they last a while depending on, how well you take care of them and whatnot. So, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video, which I didn't get to unbox it because my 3-year-old beat me to it, but you get kind of an idea of, our buddies. And Calypso sold out really fast, so you can't buy her anymore, but we have a ton of other amazing buddies, and they're all adorable. Right now, they are 10% off, so if you're interested in getting a buddy, I would suggest going to amandasaromatics.com, and it will take you directly to the website to where you can go ahead and order yourself a buddy. And so, like I said, they're 10% off for the whole month of February, so make sure you go on over there and get it before they're all gone. And, yeah, that's the video. So, thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you, drop a like, subscribe for future videos, and shares are definitely always appreciated. So, thank you guys. Bye.